Royal Play Equipment introducing the 50 mm Ultrasoft Landscape Artificial Grass. The 50 mm Ultrasoft Landscape Artificial Grass. Perfectly crafted for gardens, parks, yards, and beyond, this grass brings nature's charm to any space. Who can benefit from this? Well, everyone. From homeowners seeking a green oasis to schools and hotels desiring pristine landscapes, our grass caters to all. Now, let's talk about why this grass is a game changer. Firstly, the luxurious feel it offers transforms any area into a serene retreat. And the best part? It requires minimal maintenance, saving you time and effort. Plus, its durability ensures longevity, making it perfect for all weather use, no matter the season. Here are the specs. With a 50 mm pile height and a density of 18,900, this grass boasts unmatched quality. Its all-green color and 4-layer black backing ensure a seamless blend with any environment. Experience the epitome of landscaping excellence with Royal Play Equipment's 50 mm Ultrasoft Landscape Artificial Grass. Transform your space today.